Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a Wahoo Cadence sensor so that you can see the cadence on your iPhone when taking a Peloton digital class. I will also show you some of the metrics that you're able to see after the workout. This tutorial is for the Wahoo Cadence sensor, but most other cadence sensors should work the same. I've left a link for the sensor that I use in the description below. The first thing you need to do is fix a bracket to your crank arm. The bracket does come with 3M stickers, but I've chosen to use the cable ties to make sure it doesn't come off. Before fitting the bracket, make sure there's enough clearance between the sensor and the frame of the bike so you're able to fully rotate your pedals. Once the bracket is fitted, you just need to slot the sensor in place. You can now load up the Peloton app and select a cycling class. Once the class has started, you should start to turn the pedals to activate the sensor. You should now press the sensor button on the right hand side of the screen. You should now select the cadence sensor and you should be able to see your cadence on the screen. It really is as simple as that. I've found my workouts have improved massively since installing the sensor, so I was not cycling quite as fast as I thought. Once you've completed a ride, you can see all the stats for a ride. I also use my Apple Watch for heart rate data. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. I'd also love to know what your favourite rides are in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.